Good day. My name is Lim Jia Qi, and today I will present my individual assignment for TWT6223, Web Techniques and Applications. My project title is CoinPulse, Cryptocurrency Price Monitoring System, Prediction and Portfolio Manager. In this presentation, I will explain project idea, the technology used, the main modules, the live system demonstration, two self-code probing examples, testing, demonstrations, future work, and conclusion. CoinPulse is a client-side cryptocurrency monitoring system that helps users view market information in a clearer and more interactive way. The system allows users to monitor cryptocurrency prices and market data, search, filter, and sort coins, analyze trends using charts and indicators, compare selected cryptocurrencies, estimate near-term price movement, and manage portfolio holdings and watch lists. The main objective of CoinPulse are to develop a web-based cryptocurrency monitoring system using HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript, display market and historical data using interactive charts, provide basic technical indicators such as RSI, MACD, moving averages, volume, and Bollinger Bands, and allow users to search, filter, sort, and track cryptocurrency information. CoinPulse is developed using only client-side technologies. HTML5 is used for page structure and system sections. CSS3 is used for layout, styling, theme design, and responsive view. JavaScript is used for data loading, navigation, filtering, calculation, charts, portfolio, watchlist, and assistant logic. While Chart.js is used for line charts, comparison charts, portfolio charts, and prediction graphs. Besides the main technologies, CoinPulse also uses Chart.js Zoom plugin for zoom and pan chart installation, local storage for storing portfolio, watchlist, theme, and currency settings, and public market data with fallback demo data to keep the system usable during API failure. CoinPulse contains 8 main sections, which are dashboard, categories, markets, statistics, compare, prediction, assistant, and portfolio. The system also includes supporting functions such as watchlist, theme switching, currency selection, mobile responsive layout, error messages, and fallback data. For the demonstration, I will show how users can use CoinPulse through the main navigation menu. The demo will start from dashboard, followed by categories, markets, statistics, compare, prediction, assistant, portfolio, and finally the usability features such as theme, currency, and mobile view. Now, I will show how users can use CoinPulse from the actual website. When users enter into the website, they will see the dashboard page. It will show the market inside dashboard, including the market overview with summary cards such as the total market cap, the 24-hour trading volume, trending leader, and top gainer. Each of the cards is clickable. For example, when user click the total market cap, it will direct user to the corresponding market page. Then, user can see the market dominance chart and also the market suggestion. Following by the Quick Navigation Studio, each of the cards is clickable. For example, when user click the regression forecast data, it will direct user to the prediction page. Then, user will see the market discovery rankings, including the trending coins, top gainers, top losers, new coin incoming, token unlocks, and so on. Each of the cards is clickable. For example, when user click the View More button, it will direct user to the corresponding market page. Then, I will click Categories. Here will show 30 active crypto categories, including Layer 1, Smart Contract, Stablecoin, Exchange, and Payment. Each of the cards is clickable. For example, when user click Payment, it will direct user to the corresponding market page. Then, I will click on the market, and it will direct me to the market page that shows top 100 market explorer. Here, user can search the coin name or symbol. For example, I will type BTC. It will show the corresponding coins row. Then, user can also filter the coin list based on the all categories, the gainers and losers, and also the market cap. For example, I will filter the coin list based on the privacy category, so the coin list will be updated. User can also click the heart icon to add the coin into the watch list. Besides, users can click the chat box and click the Compare Selected button
and it will direct user to the compare page. Then I will finally create one of the coin row, and it will direct me to the statistic part of the selected coin. Here will show the information about the coin, including the MA7, MA30, RSI, MACD, Bollinger, volume, precision, and also the pulse length. The user can also see the coin chart. Here, user can choose to view the chart in the line format or candle format. So here I will choose the line format, and user can also select the metric like price or market cap. Then user can select the length. Here I will choose 24 hours for example, and the graph will be updated. User can also choose the depth to show the graph. And click apply. Then the graph will be updated. When user click the reset, the graph will be reset. Then user can also use the tool like draw line, add annotation, undo, redo, clear lines, clear annotations, as well as clear mark. So for the graph, user can zoom, press shift, and drag. User can also download the chart by pressing the download PNG. Below the graph will be the coin statistics, markets, historical price, and also the related coins user may like. Then, when user click the compare, it will direct user to the compare page. Here, user can select the coins from the column like the popular coins, similar coins, recently compared, coin user may interest, and also all the other coins. For example, user can click the add icon to add the coin into the selected coins area, or just simply drag the coin into the selected coins. Then the graph will be updated. User can then choose the metrics. For example, price, market cap, 24-hour volume, and prediction score. For example, I will click the prediction score, and the graph will be updated. Then, user can click the prediction, and it will direct user to the prediction page. Here will show the forecast graph, the likely earned candidates, likely lost candidates, and also the linear regression length coins. Each of the card will include the prediction score, linear regression trend, model fluid, RSI, MACD, and volume. When user click one of the prediction coin, the graph will be updated. User can then zoom the graph or drag. Since the prediction is calculated using the linear regression, so it is suitable for the learning and demonstration purpose, but not for the real financial advisors. Then, user can create the assistant button, and it will direct user to the assistant page. User can see the crypto assistant. This assistant is a rule-based assistant that used to answer the simple cryptocurrency terms and also the system function. User can choose to type their own question or just simply use the suggested question. For example, I will press what is Bitcoin, and it will give me the simple answer. Then, user can click the portfolio button, and it will direct user to the portfolio page. Here, user can see the watch list that contain the coin they have added from the market page, and so on. Then, user can see the portfolio overview, including the total value, total profit or loss, list, suggestion, the allocation chart, and also the profit or loss chart. To add the portfolio holding, user can click the My Portfolio and then enter the coin name. For example, I will choose this coin and enter the quantity 500 and use the default buy price per unit. Then I will click the add holding, and now the coin has been added into the coin holdings list, and can then click the export CSV to store the portfolio holding CSV file for future use. Then, when user create the new portfolio, it will create a new empty portfolio. Now, I will back to the dashboard. Now, I will show the usability features. User can switch between the dark and light theme by pressing the theme button. For their preference. Then, user can also change their currency selection. For example, I will change USD to MYR, and the website will be updated based on the selected currency. Now, I will adjust the browser window to the mobile responsive view. This shows that the website layout has been changed to fit the mobile size. That's all from the live demonstration part.
For code probing example 1, I will show how to change the color style of coin posts. When we open the dashboard page, we can observe that the logo and buttons use a blue-green gradient color. I will open start.css in Visual Studio Code and find the accent color used by the website interface. Then, I will change the color value, press Ctrl S to save the file, and refresh the dashboard page. After refreshing, the color of the logo and buttons changes, proving that the interface styling is managed through the CSS file. For code probing example 2, I will show how to add an assistant response rule. When we open the assistant page and type the question, what is dominance? The assistant may not answer it before the rule is added. Since coin post includes a market dominance chart in the dashboard, I will open the script.js in Visual Studio Code and add a new assistant response rule for market dominance inside the assistant logic. After saving the file and refreshing the assistant page, I will ask what is dominance again. And the assistant will return the dominance explanation. This proves that assistant response is controlled by JavaScript rule-based keyword matching. The system was tested using different user actions, including searching valid and invalid coin names, applying filters and sorting, opening selected coin statistics, switching chart modes, clicking prediction cards, adding portfolio holdings, saving watchlist data, switching theme and currency, and testing mobile view. For error handling, the system shows no result found for unmatched searches, validates portfolio quantity and buy price, use fallback demo data if the API is unavailable, and displays user notifications for successful actions. There are some limitations for coin posts. The system has no user login, no database storage, and local storage only works in the same browser. It also does not support real cryptocurrency trading. The public API may be rate limited. Linear regression cannot fully predict real market behavior, and the system is rule-based, not a real AI model. In the future, coin posts can be improved by adding user account login, database storage, real-time price alerts, cryptocurrency news, more technical indicators, advanced prediction models, and improve system coverage. In conclusion, coin post fulfills the requirement using HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript only. The system supports cryptocurrency monitoring, charts, prediction, comparison, assistant, portfolio, and watchlist. It also includes supporting functions such as theme switching, currency selection, responsive layout, error handling, and fallback demo data. Overall, coin post shows how front-end web technologies can transform cryptocurrency market data into a clearer, more interactive, and user-friendly web application. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.